We met with trembling hearts and simple dreams, two broken souls with faith in between. No silver, no gold, just a promise so true, a vow whispered softly, I choose you. Back when the nights were long and tight, we held on through the darkest fights. Before the wealth, before the fame, love was all we had to claim. When the storm tried to rewrite our story, we remembered our first love's glory. It was not so at the beginning, when we swore beneath heaven's flame. It was not so at the beginning, before pride and pain. So no matter what the world may bring, we go back to where love began, 'cause forever is built on remembering how our story first ran. Through noble family, we learned to stand. Through magnificent events, love was planned. At the beauty, our hearts were renewed, like lovers made holy, faithful and true. With DF bookings, the future was solid, and Cat and Co-style, the joy in our minds. The hope of God foundation kept our prayers alive, teaching love how to survive. When the fire tried to burn us down, we heard our first love sound. It was not so at the beginning, when your hand first held mine. It was not so at the beginning, before her cross the line. So when marriage feels heavy to bear, we remember the love we knew, because what we first became, my dear, is still what's meant to be true. Through our cargo, we carried our load. Through the 4B songs, our love was told. At Kingdom Mented Ship Academy, we grew, learning how to love the way God wants us to. With the Randa's braiding hub, our beauty shone. At Andalale, we laughed as one. At Treasure Island, we found our way back to the love of our first day. And with Remnant International Outreach Foundation, we stood, serving together, loving as we should. Soft breakdown. Even when the fire grows cold and the days feel heavy and old, we look back to Here's to the couples who still believe, to every heart that dares to dream. Tonight with noble family and WEB we say, love never dies when we remember yesterday. It was not so at the beginning, and that's where love still